Welcome back to பாடம் படிக்கலாம் Science 5th Standard Term 3 Unit 2 Animals Part 1 You have learned about reproduction in animals, sexual reproduction. In Part 2 you have learned about asexual reproduction. In Part 3 you have learned about endangered species, in causes for endangerment. And part 4, you are going to learn about conservation of animals. Conservation of animals. Biodiversity is the term used to describe different plants, animals, microorganisms, and insects that are found on the earth. Biodiversity is the term used to describe the enormous variety of life on earth. Biodiversity refers to every living thing, including plants and animals. Conservation of biodiversity helps us to protect, maintain and recover the endangered animals and plant species. Endangered species are maintained in certain protected areas such as national park and wildlife sanctuaries. In India, there are about 73 national parks and 416 wildlife sanctuaries. What is national park? A national park is an area which is strictly reserved for the betterment of the wildlife. National park is a park in use for conservation purposes, created and protected by national governments. Often it is reserve of natural, semi-natural or developed land that a sovereign state declares or owns. Now you understood what is national park? Even private ownership rights are not allowed in these areas. The national parks cover an area of 100 to 500 square kilometers. Jim Corbett National Park. Jim Corbett National Park is located close to Nainital in Uttarakhand. Tigers are found in this park. Other animals found here include several species of deer, leopards, jackals, red foxes, black bear, sloth bear and monkeys. Shall I repeat once again? Other animals found here include several species of deer, leopards, jackals, red foxes, black bear, sloth bear and monkeys. Gir Forest National Park. Gir Forest National Park. It is located in Gujarat. Asiatic lions in their natural habitat can be seen here. Other animals that are found here include sambar, chinkara, cheetal, porcupine, wild boar and black buck. Next we are going to move to Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park. Wild animals such as rhinoceros, tiger, elephant, wild buffalo and swamp deer are seen here. This park also has bears, leopards and several species of local and migratory birds. This park is famous for one-horned rhino. Sundarban National Park, located in West Bengal. The Sundarban National Park is a tiger and biosphere reserve on the Ganges Delta. Bengal tiger, saltwater crocodile, wild boars, foxes, leopards, cats, huge turtles, Ganges river dolphins and several other varieties of mammals and reptiles, along with a huge variety of local and migratory birds can be seen in Sundarban National Park. Kanha National Park. Kanha National Park, located in Madhya Pradesh, was established as a part of Project Tiger. Apart from tiger, Animals such as elephant, jackals, leopards, striped hyenas, monkeys, and several varieties of deer, including black buck, swamp deer, cheetal, and sambar, are seen here. Periyar National Park. Periyar National Park is in Thekadi, Kerala. Various species including the majestic elephants, royal tigers and fishes, reptiles and birds can be seen in Periyar National Park. Gindi National Park. This park is located at the heart of the Chennai city. It is a home to spotted deer, black bucks, white bucks, river otter, hyena, bonnet monkey, civet cat, jackals, pangolin, hedgehog and common mongoose, and etc. varieties of animals. Some of the other park is Gulf of Munnar National Park. It is in Ramanathapuram. Indira Gandhi National Park. It is in Coimbatore. Mudumalai National Park, Nilgiris. Mugurthi National Park, also it's in Nilgiris. Next we are going to move on to wildlife sanctuaries. Wildlife sanctuaries. What is sanctuary? A sanctuary is a protected area which is reserved for the conservation of animals only. Kalakkad Wildlife Sanctuary. The Kalakkad Wildlife Sanctuary is famous for tigers, lion-tailed macaque, lion-tailed macaque, Nilgiri langur, bonnet macaque. What is macaque? See it in the picture. Langur, Nilgiri thar, sambar, sloth, bear, gaur, elephant, flying squirrel, panther, wild dog and pangolin are some of the animals found here. Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary. It is located in Ooty. Bengal tiger, giant elephant and leopard are found here. Elephant safari is famous in this sanctuary. Mundanturai Wildlife Sanctuary. It is located in Tirunelveli district. Major wildlife animal found here is tiger. Next, Anaimalai Wildlife Sanctuary. It is also called as Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary. It is situated in Coimbatore district. Doli, wild dog and giant squirrel are seen here. Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary. It is very old sanctuary in Tamil Nadu. It is located in Kanjipuram district. It has many migratory birds like spoonbills, open-billed storks, pelicans, etc. varieties of birds. Advantages of conservation. Species can be adapted to their habitat. Species can interact with each other. Natural habitat of the animals is maintained. It is less expensive and easy to manage. Prevention of cruelty of animals. Cruelty to animals also called animal abuse. Have you heard about the word abuse? Is the infliction by omission or by commission by humans of suffering or harm upon any non-human animal. Violence against animals has been linked to a higher likelihood of criminal violence and domestic abuse. The effects of physical abuse have become more apparent and are studied more than the effects of neglected and psychological abuse. It is illegal to maim or cause any injury to any animal. We have a section called the number 428 or 429 of the Indian Penal Code and the Cruelty to Animal Act of 1960. So if we found any animal being injured, you can complain. A person who is caught violating these laws can be reported to the local animal protection group and to the police. Every day, countless cats, dogs, and other animals suffer and die at the hands of the very people who are supposed to care for and protect them. Physical violence, emotional abuse, and life threatening neglected are daily relatives for many animals. So, Animal Welfare Board of India and National Institute of Animal Welfare are the government organization which work for the welfare of animals. There are some private welfare organization also. That is Blue Cross. Have you heard about the word Blue Cross? What is the work of Blue Cross? That has been helping sick, injured, abandoned and homeless pets. Pets help us in so many ways and they depend entirely to us. The Blue Cross of India is an animal welfare charity based in Chennai. It was established in 1959 by the Captain V. Sundaram. This Blue Cross motto is animals is their world too. Blue Cross is a registered animal welfare charity. If you find an animal in distress, you can also have a number to call the landlines. Number is +91 44 7181 9575. If you find an animal in distress, you have a phone number for calling landline. Number is for Chennai only +91 444 6274 999 +91 444 6274 999.